the 27th of March, 2025. Dow Day Chart Analysis. Dow slips over 100 points, S&P 500 falls 1% as market reacts to auto tariff concerns. U.S. equities ended lower on Wednesday, with the Dow shedding more than 100 points and the S&P 500 declining 1% as investors grew cautious ahead of expected auto tariffs. The weakness came despite President Donald Trump signaling that the measures would likely be more lenient than reciprocal, suggesting a softer stance compared to initial fears. The president's comments aligned with earlier reports this week indicating that the tariffs may be narrower in scope, with sector-specific implementations potentially delayed, factors that helped to cap deeper losses but did little to revive near-term sentiment. Technical outlook. Opening price, OP, 42,306. Market level price, MLP, 42,521. 30-day moving average, MA30, 42,350. Pivot 2, 41,973. Nearest key critical base, KCB, 42,154. Gap support level, 41,994. With the OP position below both MLP and MA30, the bias is tilted towards selling pressure for today's session. If the Dow fails to reclaim the MA30, 42,350, it could reinforce downside momentum. Bullish scenario: should the index retrace above the MA30, a retest of the MLP at 42,521 is plausible, with potential extension toward the nearest KCB at 42,622. Bearish scenario: a failure to reclaim key resistance levels would confirm a classical sell signal, especially if the index continues to track below OP. In such a case, the pivot to support at 42,973 and the gap fill zone at 41,994 come into play as downside targets. Interestingly, technical indicators are offering mixed signals, with KSI turning green, indicative of emerging bullish momentum, while KCX remains blue, reflecting underlying caution. This suggests that while some buying interest persists, the broader market remains fragile. Disclaimer: the above analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice.